Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME GT to Pro to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. So open. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, select Receive on an Android and Send on Realme. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take a while, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Choose Send and click on Got it. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. Over here, as you can see, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!